Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the haptic feedbacks and the vibration intensity comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Poco F3 GT device. So this is a question which a few of the users they want to know the answers that how much powerful the Realme GT Neo 2 can be there when compared with the Poco F3 GTs in terms of the haptic feedback vibration. So first let's start with the settings application. Let me just show you what kind of settings I'm trying to use in terms of the vibration intensity. So because that's also a main thing which you should definitely know about. So right now let's go to the haptic feedback vibration intensity. Right now we do have the options to increase and decrease the level, but right now I did select the maximum level, as you can see, highest level possible. And even in both phones I did select to the maximum highest level. Now let me try to go to the settings and let me try to start typing. So while typing I'll try to keep the mic on the mobile phone. In this way you'll be able to actually feel any kind of haptic feedbacks you are getting or not. So let me know in the comment section below which haptic feedbacks you felt really stronger. I just want to I want to have your feedback as well. That's the reason. So let me to keep the mic on the phone. So right now I'm trying to use the Realme GT Neo 2's keyboard. Now let me try in the Poco F3 GT's keyboard. So let me know in the comment section below friends which one you felt are really strong and powerful. So overall friends, the both phones are having really very strong haptic feedbacks, but slightly the Realme GT Neo 2 has got a little bit stronger. That's what I did feel during my time of testing and usage with this phone as well. So let me know in the comment section below friends, which phone do you think is a really good haptic feedbacks, which has got really strong powerful vibes. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other doubts on these phones, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.